Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to back up photos to Google Photos step by step. First, open your web browser and visit photosgoogle.com. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Once you're on the Google Photos homepage, click the Upload button in the top right corner. Now choose Computer. A file browser window will open. Select the photos you want to back up, then click Open. Google Photos will immediately start uploading your selected photos. Depending on the number and size of your files, the upload may take a few seconds or a few minutes. After the upload is complete, your photos will appear in your Google Photos library. Click on any photo to open it in full screen. You can zoom in, view details, and organize your photos into albums if you want. The best part is that once your photos are backed up to Google Photos, you can access them from your phone, tablet, or any computer by signing in to the same Google account. This is a simple and secure way to keep your memories safe, even if your device is lost or replaced. And that's how you can easily back up photos to Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.